As we get older, our face symmetry gets worse. Problems using muscles, and muscles get weaker as you get older. So today's video is all about correcting our facial symmetry, focusing on our eye muscles more. So when one eye is smaller than the other eye, we do this exercise. So let's get started. Our eyes are surrounded by 6 muscles which we will work on today. So place your fingers at the inner corner of the eyes to start with, not too close. Now press a little, not too deep to puncture the ridge. Press and pull 2 to 3 times. While moving in a circular motion along the eye bone, press gently, shaking the edge of the bone, subdue with it. Do not go so deep as to poke the eyeball. And apply acupressure while going around the entire eye. Today we will do self-correction of the eyes, which relieves eye fatigue, creates clear eyes, and is also helpful for correcting bulging eyes. Second is to strengthen the pupils with your eyes closed. Apply strength to the eyeball, hold for 5 seconds and release. Repeat this 5 to 10 times. Close your eyes, apply pressure to your pupils, hold for 5 seconds, release. Third is rolling your eyes and moving sideways with your eyes closed. Slowly draw 4 large circles clockwise with your eyes to the right. Then draw 4 large circles counterclockwise to your left. Then move your eyeballs like a pendulum from right to left and then left to right. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Next is straining your eye muscles. Close your one eye, place your palm on it to prevent it from moving. On the other eye, place your forefinger and middle finger. Like this, your eyes should be in the middle. Apply pressure to prevent wrinkles from forming around the eyes and pull your upper and lower lids together in order to close, but do not close the eye. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and release. Repeat for 5 to 10 times. Apply pressure only to the front of the eye. Then pull your upper eyelid and lower eyelids together in order to close, but keep it open. and hold for 5 seconds before releasing. Fifth is eye raising exercise. Do not use your forehead muscles, only eye muscles to be used to open the eyes. Cover the other eye with your palm. Place the other hand on the other half of your forehead vertically like this to prevent the front end of the eyes and forehead muscles from moving. Look down and then straight ahead with your eye wide open. Hold for 5 seconds and then release. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Apply resistance. Once both the eyes feel same, do it on both sides. Remember to not use other facial muscles while you do this exercise, because when you don't use other facial muscles, you can move your eye muscle fully. Sometimes you may not be able to, but even if you move a little, that's good, and with practice, it's get better. Keep pampering yourself, and I'll see you soon.